Hey, truck lovers, welcome back. If you're in the market for a new tonneau cover, today's video is just for you. We're comparing three top contenders: the Ceedo Sentry hard roll-up, the Retrax Pro MX retractable, and the Gator ETX soft roll-up truck bed, Tonneau Covers. Stick around to find out which one fits your truck and lifestyle the best. First up, we have the Ceedo Sentry hard roll-up tonneau cover. This cover is a blend of style, strength, and security. It features industrial-strength vinyl fabric with a layer of aluminum slats underneath, offering both flexibility and solid protection. Installation is a breeze with its no-drill, clamp-on design. In just a few minutes, you'll have a cover that not only protects your cargo, but also enhances the look of your truck. Rolling up the Ceedo Sentry is as simple as it gets. The quick-release system allows you to fully open the cover in seconds, providing complete access to your truck bed. And when it's rolled up, the cover secures neatly behind the cab, giving you full rear-view visibility. Next, let's talk about the Retrax Pro MX retractable tonneau cover, a top choice for those who value both convenience and security. This cover is built with heavy-duty aluminum panels that offer unbeatable strength and protection. One of the standout features of the Retrax Pro MX is its retractable design. With just a push or pull, you can open or close the cover to any point along the truck bed, giving you ultimate flexibility. Plus, it locks in place at any position, so you can secure your cargo with ease. Rain, snow, or sun, the Retrax Pro MX is built to handle it all. Its low-profile design and sealed ball-bearing rollers ensure smooth, maintenance-free operation, making it a top contender for anyone looking for a durable and stylish cover. Last but not least, we have the Gator ETX soft roll-up tonneau cover. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still offers great protection and functionality, this cover might be the one for you. The Gator ETX features a heavy-duty, tear-resistant vinyl fabric that's designed to keep your cargo safe from the elements. Its adjustable tension control ensures a tight, wrinkle-free fit, even in changing weather conditions. Rolling up the Gator ETX is quick and easy, with a simple latch system that locks the cover securely in place. It's perfect for those who need an affordable cover that gets the job done without compromising on quality. So how do these covers stack up? The Ceedo Sentry offers a great balance of strength and style with its hard roll-up design. The Retrax Pro MX is the ultimate in convenience and security with its retractable aluminum panels. And the Gator ETX provides a solid, budget-friendly option with its durable, soft roll-up design. No matter what your needs are, there's a tonneau cover here that's right for you. If you're after premium protection and sleek design, the Retrax Pro MX is hard to beat. For a more traditional hard roll-up with style, go for the Ceedo Sentry. And if you're looking for value without sacrificing quality, the Gator ETX is an excellent choice. Thanks for joining me on this tonneau cover showdown. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and comparisons.